Hey, have you ever scrolled through social media or sent a message to a friend and used a GIF to use Capterra for this, which is a platform specifically for reviewing software? Whether it's QuickBooks, Google, Wix, it's pretty straightforward. They're looking for people who've actually used these tools and are qualified to share their experience. And believe it or not, it's easier to learn than you might think. You could be earning $1,000 a month by working just 10 hours a week at $25 an hour.
Guys, have you noticed this cool thing going on lately? People are taking anime clips and adding their own voiceovers with motivational life lessons. So I thought to myself, hey, could we use AI to make these anime clips instead? Turns out we totally can. And you could earn up to $100 or more in a single day. Yup, you heard that right. Here's how it works. Watch one video and earn $2.80. For the page, you'll spot a bunch of news categories like world news and local news, but we're honing in on the good stuff: business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. Check out this channel, for instance. They're consistently racking up millions of views with super simple videos that are a breeze.